Now, we know that the bacteria in our human intestine is referred to as the human gut microbiota. And we're learning so much about the human gut microbiota or human gut microbiome. We've known for a long time that it's important for digestion and absorption of nutrients, but more and more evidence is supporting its role in disease risk. And so this is a very, very active and advancing area of research, that is the gut microbiome and disease risk. Now, in terms of wheat-based foods that are high in fiber can definitely contribute to the gut microbiota. And this is because the fiber is fermented by our intestinal bacteria. That fermentation process is going to alter the composition of the gut microbiota. It's going to alter the types of bacteria in a way that are then implicated in disease prevention. And it's also going to have those bacteria that then produce short chain fatty acids, which are nutrients themselves. They actually contribute to the fate of other nutrients, but they are also absorbed. And short chain fatty acids, often SCFA, they have been shown to impact physiological function in a way that's beneficial for different diseases. So there's a lot going on here. All of it relating to wheat would be the idea and ability for the fiber in wheat to be fermented by the intestinal bacteria. And this idea of providing what you could call a substrate for the bacteria is what is a prebiotic. It's something that's providing something for the bacteria to flourish, as opposed to a probiotic, which is the actual bacteria. And so this study is a real fitting research spotlight. There's been many studies like this, but I thought this was kind of the most relatable, thinking about breakfast cereal. So whole grain wheat breakfast cereal has a prebiotic effect on the human gut microbiota. Just that sentence alone tells us the evidence. In a very high quality study, they had 31 adults consume some whole grain wheat cereal or some wheat bran rich cereal for 3 weeks every day. And every participant consumed both cereals. They separated it by 2 weeks. And they collected their fecal samples before and after so that they could look at the bacteria in those fecal samples and get an idea of what was going on. And the results showed that in those fecal samples, the bacteria specifically considered more healthy, lactobacilli, bifidobacteria, were higher with both of the cereals, but significantly more so with the whole grain wheat cereal, but still higher with both cereals. And so this study, as well as other ones that have been done similar to this, provide clear evidence of a prebiotic effect of wheat.